Hey everybody, this is the super close-up edition of HorrorPack unboxing. I'm going to show you the super close-up, all the DVDs in this box. HorrorPack is a monthly subscription. You get 4 DVDs or Blu-rays. I get the Blu-ray. They come in a box like this, and they come in a package exactly like this, because this is what it came in. And you get 4... I get 4 DVDs. No, I always say that. I get 4 Blu-rays. So let's see what we have this month. Okay, first of all, killer movie. Did I see this? Oh, with Leighton Meester. No, I did not see this. Okay, killer movie, Fear Reality. In a world of reality TV. Interesting. Spoiled celebrities, testy crews, unexpected setbacks. Here's all the information on here. See, with the special features here. With this close-up, you're able to see things better. Critters Attack. Okay, what is Critters Attack? Because I have the Critter 4-pack. Let's look on the back here. Mysterious alien critters. What year did this come out? Well, I don't think I have this one anyway. I feel like this is like a newer Critters. Critters are back. There we go. The Critters are back. Okay, so I haven't seen this one because this isn't one of the original Critters. So that's cool. So I'll add this to my Critter collection. Then we have After Dark, which is a HorrorPack limited edition Blu-ray. She looks so scared. Oh my gosh. It's After Dark. Spring Break, college students, flat tire. Wow, lots of stuff happening here. Night falls, friends are disappearing. After Dark. Who made this? These people all made this. So HorrorPack includes one limited edition Blu-ray usually. So that's this one. And then the last one is Child of Satan. With these people. Scary tree with a baby on top. And then accident during baby shower. Rush to the hospital. Strange events. Vivid dreams. No, sounds creepy. So these are, oh, there's the images on the back. These are the 4 Blu-rays. What do you think of this close-up edition? That way you can really see the DVDs. I don't know if you guys would like this, or if you want me to go back to where you can see my big face, or if you'd rather see the Blu-rays. Let me know if you care at all. Let me know in the comments below. Please consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching.